Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So creating a notebook in Goodnotes is the first step to organizing your notes, whether for studying, teaching or personal use. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create a new notebook in Goodnotes, simple and clear. Okay, so first thing first, open Goodnotes and go to home screen. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, launch into Goodnotes and you will see your library home screen with all notebooks. So it should be here. Okay, this is where everything is managed. Tap New button here. Okay, tap the select the notebook. This opens the notebook creation menu. So choose your notebook cover. So pick a cover style. Okay, any cover. Okay, simple color for professional. This helps you identify notebooks easily. You can change it later. Select paper template. Okay, so you have here paper line, for example, for writing. Okay, grid for math, blank for free drawing, dots for clean structure. So select your preferred size and orientation. Okay, and name your notebook after that. Okay, and then for example, any name. Okay, and after that tap create. Okay, so your notebook opens instantly and now it's ready to use. Okay, so here is the example, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.